Have you ever wondered where that little bottle of red pepper hot sauce came from?
Come with me as we explore the home of Tabasco.
In the deep South Louisiana, on a small island called Avery Island, you can find the home of the Tabasco pepper sauce. Here is where it all began. Just a few miles from Lafayette in New Iberia, deep in the heart of Cajun country, Edmund McElhaney began growing Tabasco hot peppers from seeds that came from Mexico and Central America. The seeds are planted and the peppers turn from green to yellow to orange and finally red. The peppers are then picked by hand, ground into a mash with some salt, and placed into barrels. They're stored in a warehouse for 3 years. Quality tested and then blended with vinegar for 2 to 3 weeks, those seeds and skins of the peppers are removed, and the liquid is bottled in small bottles. Fill, cap, and seal, sent to over 195 countries and territories around the world. Over hundreds of thousands of bottles are produced each day. So how did this hot sauce grow into a huge, worldwide recognized brand? When the McElhaney started selling Tabasco back in 1868, they had a secret weapon in the form of John Henshaw, who was a family member who happened to live in New York City. He was able to negotiate a deal with a wholesaler that ordered 10,500 bottles to be sold to grocery stores in the Northeast. In the 1890s, the McElhaney Company unveiled a stroke of marketing brilliance, the burlesque opera of Tabasco. This was a traveling musical show that captivated audiences across the nation. With miniature bottles of Tabasco distributed during the show, it was a pioneering example of product placement, cementing Tabasco's places in our kitchens. During the time of the Great Depression in the 1930s, the McElhaney Company seized the opportunity to sponsor oil exploration on Avery Island, securing vital royalties that enabled its continued independence, and it is still a privately held, family-owned company. McElhaney was also smart in utilizing their own land for their ingredients. The peppers are actually grown on the island, and the salt is mined from the salt dome that the island sits atop. Today they own farms in Central and South America. Have you had Tabasco ice cream? Stay to the end. Avery Island, Louisiana, where the zesty legacy of Tabasco sauce meets the peaceful vibes of nature at Jungle Gardens. Sure, everybody knows about the Tabasco Museum, but let me tell you about this hidden gem. Back in 1935, the McElhaney family opened up Jungle Gardens to the public, and it's been a slice of paradise ever since. Thanks to E.A. McElhaney's vision, this place is not just about spicy sauces, but also about preserving the wildlife. Don't forget to subscribe. Here, hunting is a big no-no, giving critters like the black bears, deer, alligators, nutras, and bobcats the perfect haven. Take a stroll through the gardens where over 600 plant varieties paint a lush canvas of greenery. Oh, and you cannot miss the sunken gardens and the serene Buddha overlooking the lagoon. It's a hotspot for romantic moments. Trust me, I even saw a couple get engaged there. So grab your camera and let's explore this slice of nature's paradise together. And don't forget to visit Bird City. In 1895, E.A. McElhaney built an aviary to help save the endangered snowy egret birds. What started out as just 8 birds had grown to 100,000 by 1911. Just take a look at all of the birds. So what are you waiting for? Grab your hot sauce and your sense of adventure and join us on the island as we uncover the spicy secrets and wild wonders of Avery Island. It's a journey you won't soon forget, a blend of flavor, fantasy, and a dash of southern sass. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and let the adventure begin.
We're going to try Chipotle. Wow. Now we're going to try just the normal. It's got some kick. Wow. You haven't had ice cream, do you have it with Chipotle Tabasco? Wow.
What's your favorite hot sauce? Let me know in the comments. Safe travels!